This 11-hour day trip to Wadi El Gemal, a 5,000 square mile national park encompassing one of the most varied coastal ecosystems in the world, features hiking, exploring, and sightseeing. After pickup from either south of Marsa Alam or north of Wadi El Gemal Park, depending on where your hotel is, you'll be driven to the park in an open-top jeep, which is the perfect way to see the rolling dunes of the vast desert surroundings. The tour is fully customizable, as your guide is highly familiar with the national park, but guests typically begin with a hike to Kab El Khawara, a cliff point that offers panoramic views of the area. Next, travel to Apollonia, an ancient Roman mining outpost to learn about the history of their presence in Egypt. Here, you'll see well-preserved homes and public spaces of Roman life, including the agora, the major gathering point of the city. At Apollonia, your guide will also provide a traditional Bedouin lunch that includes fresh bread, grilled chicken, a green salad, fruit, and coffee. Finish off the tour at the Klond beach settlement, a resort-like outcropping in the middle of the desert, where you'll relax next to the mangrove shores of the Red Sea. Everything you'll need, including lunch, water, coffee, and food, is taken care of on this tour, so you'll be able to have a stress-free day of exploration.